Hello, today I'll be replacing this halogen bulb. This is on a 2009 Ninja 250 and it uses a H7 bulb. And here's what I'm going to be replacing it with. And this is the brand I went with. Right there. So this is going to be on the left side. So it's going to be right here. It's probably going to be hard to see, but it's right there. There's a connector there and the bulb is right there. So there's going to be a connector. It's just like a plug, so you just pull it out. There's going to be a boot. Pull that boot out. And after the boot, there's going to be the bulb. But the bulb, there's going to be a clip there. You got to like press that clip and unclip it. And the clip is right there. You can see it. So there's this plug and there's a clip right here. There's a clip. It's kind of hard to do it, but you got to like press it and it'll unclip. You have to unclip the bulb. And this will open like that. And you'll be able to take the bulb out. And this is how it looks, like that. So this is your stock bulb. Now you gotta remove it from this adapter. That's the adapter. So you gotta take this out. Like that. So just remove an adapter and then take your bulb and put it in the adapter. So when you install the LED bulb has to go like this or like that. It has to go left to right. It can't be like this. It has to work like that. So when you put it in, it has to go like this or like that. You have to check how the tabs look in there. Okay, so I gotta mount it. Let me show you right there. You can see it. It's in there. And that's how it looks, like that. So nice LED light. Yep. So put that clip back on and then put that rubber boot back on. You can see it right there. I put the clip back on and rubber boot back on. And you see how the bulb looks? It looks like that. Like that. It has to go left to right, like that. So I'm just gonna do the low beam. I'm not gonna do the high beam. Just the low beam. So like that, see?